Hey you, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe so you stay updated with natural hair and lifestyle content on this channel. And if you've been a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to moisturize your hair when in twist. This will also prevent you from experiencing dry scalp, which in turn will cause itchiness, and of course dry hair, which in turn will lead to more breakages. So the first thing that I always love to do is to divide my hair into sections. I am a huge advocate of always dividing your hair into sections when you want to work on them. This will help you stay organized and not mix up the section you have worked on with the section that you haven't worked on. So the next thing that you are going to do is to put warm water in a spray bottle and begin to squeeze on your scalp. And as you squeeze on your scalp first, you massage. Why would you squeeze warm water on your scalp? Now listen, some of us go ahead and apply oil to our dry scalp, which in turn causes more dryness and itchiness because oils are sealants, and whatever you put on top of the oil, it will seal it. So if your hair is dry or your scalp is dry and you use an oil, it will seal in that dryness. So that is why I am moisturizing my scalp before then I move to my hair. So when you do that for your hair, you moisturize your hair, you make sure that you dab the water into your hair. Dab the water into your hair, especially if your hair is of low porosity. It will help your hair absorb the moisture even so much better. So this was my hair when I'd already moisturized my scalp and also moisturize my actual hair. Be sure not to squeeze so much water that water is dripping down to your face. It is not good at all. Okay, so the oil I'm going to be using is this amazing Reina Hair and Scalp Serum. Guys, this product is the truth. I fell in love with this product the first day that I used it because of how absorbent it is. It is so penetrating. Let's not even go into the packaging. The packaging is amazing. It's so beautiful. But aside from that, it is so absorbent. Like you're going to see in the next one where I am applying it to my skin and how it just literally absorbs into my skin. And this type of oil is very good because it doesn't cause product buildup that then later on causes itchiness. So yeah, it is super duper absorbent. Can you guys see that? Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to apply the oil to your scalp. Make sure you apply to every part of your scalp. If you feel that it's not getting there, just put some on your hands and then massage. Massaging is key. Massaging is the key of anything you're doing to your scalp, especially, and your hair as well. And then you also take the oil, you apply to your hair and dab it in. Dab it in so that your twists take it in. Remember, your hair, they are in twist, so they need like a little bit of massage, but this time around dabbing so that they can take the products in. And do not forget the ends of your hair. So this is what my hair looked like when I'd already moisturized and sealed in that moisture with the oil. You see that it's not greasy. It just gave it this shine, and it just like brought it back to life. And I just really loved it. So you're going to repeat the same process on the other sections of your hair. Squeeze warm water on your scalp, massage as you squeeze, and be gentle not to squeeze in such a way that water drips down your face. Then further squeeze on your hair. Make sure your ends are also covered, and then you dab them into your hair to help your hair absorb in the moisture. Then you go in with the oil, apply on your scalp, massage, apply on the twist, massage. Don't forget the ends of your hair. Remember that the oldest and the weakest parts of your hair, so make sure to dab and also to massage that in. So now we are all done. It is literally simple, and this won't take you it won't even take you up to 10 minutes depending on how voluminous the twists that you installed are. But this is just too good, and I always recommend that whenever you're doing this, you use a penetrating oil. So far so good. I love that scalp serum. It is very nice. Like, it's a thumbs up for me. it's the fact that it's just so penetrating, honestly, because I've used quite a lot of oils on my scalp and hair that were not so penetrating. Okay, so be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. I hope you found this really helpful. Please drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and take care of yourself. Be sure to check out these videos, and I love you. Bye.